What's up everybody, Sam here. So, Xiaomi 50 Ultra, Vivo X200 Pro and Galaxy S25 Ultra nighttime performance. By the way, I've already done the daytime, performance a couple days ago. Make sure to check out if you haven't, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get started. Right now, we are in extreme dark environment, and now let's test the shutter speed. First of all, Xiaomi 15 Ultra, they're all in default mode. And then Samsung and Vivo. What? Okay, just make sure I just pressed okay. So with the best. Guys, guess I have found the problem on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, the zoom photo. Okay, you see when I go. Let's say at 30. Okay, at 30. You see? Did you notice that thing? It's like trying to focus or something, but then it's autofocus, and then trying to focus. You see, right? If you compare that to the other two, the same don't have such issues, like for Vivo, right? So steady. And now Samsung 30. Because Samsung doesn't have that, focusing autofocus thing. So whenever I take such telephoto lens, I really have to take more times on the Xiaomi 15, otherwise it would be too blurry. I don't know if this is a software thing or something. I hope Xiaomi can fix it. Okay, you see. Okay, let's take a picture. Okay, regarding this point, I think Samsung has the best stability, for taking telephoto lens. Alright, 4K 30 zoom. Okay, this is the main. Go to ultra for all the three phones. Oh, did you see any difference? Not really, right? Anyway, one. Okay, since you guys mostly use the main camera, let's just compare a little bit. Not really, on the on the screen. Overall, I think not much big difference. Samsung looks a bit darker, but I have to view this on monitor 2 times. Okay, that's a 2 times zoom. 3.7 on Vivo. There's one thing I think Xiaomi did greatly is they have that kind of special coating thing on their camera module and don't have that kind of glare. You see on Vivo you can see the glare already. If you see it really clear, you can see this part, right? But on Xiaomi, even on Samsung doesn't have. Now let's go to 5 times 4.3 on Xiaomi, 5 times on Vivo. And now 10 times. Okay, 10 times on Xiaomi and 10 times on Samsung. So you can see, compare the difference. Let's just go all the way to 20 times on Samsung, 20 times on Vivo, and 20 times on Xiaomi. Alright. Wow, I guess Samsung is a little bit worse because it has that purple ring around the characters. You see that? Xiaomi does not have. Xiaomi but has too much glare, I guess. I mean that kind of glare, you know, the... Okay. And then go all the way to 30 for Xiaomi. Alright, that's the zoom. You guys can leave what's the best, you know, in the comments. Portrait selfie video. I noticed that on Samsung it supports like 4K portrait video, selfie video. On Xiaomi and Vivo it only supports 1080 30 FPS. So and Samsung like definitely wins for this portrait video thing. It's like you can see so much clear in the background, you know, the text. For Vivo, especially Vivo, the worst is like got totally blown out, like overexposed. For Xiaomi, it's the second, ranks the second. You can see not as good as Vivo, as good as Samsung, I mean, right? And now let's move. I mean, some of you guys are really like saying a lot of bad words about Samsung, about S25 Ultra, but I guess like the video capability of Samsung is really good, to be honest. Very stable, and as you can see, the dynamic range, high dynamic range, and also the audio shouldn't be not that bad because it has, you can edit the voice, the audio in, you know, in the video editor, you know, so not bad. Xiaomi. Okay, let me just run a little bit so you can see which one has the best stabilization, best video quality. It's worse. Ultra HD 30 FPS, 4K 30 FPS. Okay. 4K 30. Okay, so you can check who has the best stability. So overall, what do you guys think about Xiaomi 15 Ultra? I think that one of the upgrades is that the lens glare thing. You can see when I compare with Xiaomi 13 Ultra, Xiaomi 14 Ultra, they have like that lens glare, you know, so noticeable, but on Xiaomi 15 actually it's like totally gone, right? So crazy good. But I also noticed one thing for Xiaomi 15 actually it's like when you zoom on the 30 or 50 or something or beyond, then it shakes really too much, and sometimes I have to delete so many photos because it's too shaky and I have to retake, which I will show you a little bit later. And okay, let me just run a little bit. Okay. Now we're entering a really dark parking lot. Okay. So I'm gonna show you like what it mean by saying that. Okay, speaking of that, let's talk about the zoom, picture zoom quality